Hey everyone, Michael here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the MACD indicator onto your TradingView charts. Then I'm going to give you guys the best settings for day trading, scalping, and swing trading. So no matter which way you guys trade, you guys can make some consistent profits using this in your overall trading strategies, okay? First, I want you guys to come over here to indicators, metrics, and strategies, and I want you to click on that once. Sometimes, depending on how your layout is, you guys may just see indicators, or you guys may see just this little symbol. Whatever you guys see, just make sure you click on that button, okay? Afterwards, I want you guys to come over here and type in MACD. From there, add it to your favorites by adding a gold star to it, then clicking on it once. After you guys have done that, you guys are going to see it on the bottom hand screen right here, right behind my head. If you guys do not see it there, that just means you guys haven't opened up the indicator legend. So if I close this, you're going to see how this disappears. And no matter what happens, you're not going to be able to see it, okay? So make sure that this is dropped down so you can actually click on the settings icon, which you're going to be doing now. Go over here to style, skip the input section just for now. And I want you guys to come over here to this blue line, color 0, and this other color 0 right here. And I want you guys to make them both as thick as possible. This is in case you guys are using different charts on different layouts or multiple charts on the same layout. That way you guys can see what's going on without having to squint your eyes. It's important, okay? Next, I want you guys to come over here to inputs. And then these are the different settings that you guys may use. For day trading, you guys are going to use this as is. This is the standard day trading one, 12, 26, 9. For scalping, you guys are going to enter 3, 10, 9. So 3 for fast, 10 for slow, and then I'm going to leave the signal smoothing at 9. For swing trading, you guys are going to use 20 for the fast, and long term, you're going to be using 50, okay? 20, 50, and 9, then hit OK. You can see for this one, this is the current one. And this is not set up for swing trading. This is just for day trading. You're going to see this crossover here that worked. This crossover right here did not work, failed actually. So let's actually tune this up for swing trading because we're looking at a longer term type of trade, okay? So we're just going to hit 20, 50, hit OK. And then what do you see? We got rid of those false signals there. So now we had that buy signal there, sell signal coming up, which makes sense because we're teetering off of the 20-week moving average. And you have those crossovers here. This one didn't work completely, but it did tell you guys probably not the best time to be buying, and you saw the momentum not doing anything. And then right here, when it finally did cross over, it was a good opportunity to buy. Use this to understand which way the momentum is flowing so you guys can make better trading decisions. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. YouTube does not promote my channel all too much. Thanks.